Hello and welcome back to Linda Z's. We are here with you from the store on this bright sunny day. We're wishing for spring to come back, but it's still pretty wintry out there. But I love a sunshiny day. So we're here in front of a brand new Janome frame that was just put together by our technicians, and just in the nick of time for a wonderful event that we have coming up here. And we wanted to make sure that you know about this. So if you're interested in looking at a Longarm by Janome, this is a class for you. It's called Let's Go Long. We're going to be having that on Friday and Saturday, March 27th and March 28th. And we have some really great educators coming in from Janome who are super, super knowledgeable about this Longarm. And so we're thrilled. We've already even sold one since we've had this here on the floor. And we're just super, super excited to be showing you this machine. So it's a 20-inch throat. And this frame here is set at 10 feet, but you can do an 8-foot frame, you can do a 10-foot frame, you can do a 12-foot frame. So that's up to you and your space that's in your home. We've got it set up here as a 10-foot frame, and we're going to be putting a quilt on this to be able to demonstrate here very quickly. That's something we wanted to show you because we're so excited that it's arrived and it's here. And we'll have 4 frames in the building in our event center upstairs for this event in March. And so you'll be able to check out not only the frame, but also the Pro Stitcher robotics. So that's going to be, so you'll be able to do both of those. Right now we've set it up where you come back 2 days in a row, but we're thinking of changing the format. We're not sure if we would change the format where you would see the frame in the morning and then the robotics in the afternoon on the same day. We're looking at that right now. So the good news is that for the Valentine's weekend, we are going to have a special, you have to say that you saw this video or a friend of yours saw this video, but instead of the $49 entry fee, we're going to bring that down to $29. So if you are interested in looking at a frame, $29 for a full day of workshop to really get to know what a quilting frame can do, and then have the Janome educators here all the way from around the country. I'm not sure where Kelly is from. She's Kelly McKenzie. She's an educator from Janome. She's going to be with us, and we're thrilled about that. So for $29, you can spend the day with her and pick her brain, pick our brains, and have a look at the quilting Longarm. Okay, so that's what I wanted to show you for sure while I'm standing here in front of it. But we've got a bunch of other events that are coming up, and they're very exciting, right? So we've got Jerry Granata, who's from Brother. He's coming back to our store. It's an Aveneer Magic event. So that is the Brother top-of-the-line sewing and embroidery machine. It is a beautiful machine. That will be in the room. And I believe a little mouse in the corner told me that I think we're going to open up the event to some owners. So first come, first serve basis, we're going to try and allow some pre-owners already to come in because we know you all love Jerry Granata, and he's coming all the way from Palm Springs, California to be with us on February 20th and February 21st. That's a Friday and a Saturday, all day, 2 days. And he will be here, and they're going to be doing a hands-on project. So let us know if you're one of those owners, because we're gearing these events towards people who don't own the machine already so that they can see and play on it and actually try it before they decide to buy these machines. It's a beautiful machine. So if you do own it already, we're going to open up a few spaces because we have a big space upstairs. We have enough room to have everyone come, people who don't own it, people who don't own it already. And so that's a wonderful experience for you. Jerry's coming to town. We've got a wonderful educator from Baby Lock coming also. So Denise Schober is coming, and she's coming Tuesday, February 24th, and Wednesday, February 25th. So you would choose either to come on Tuesday or Wednesday. And this is we're calling it a Radiance Experience. We're going to have a survey that Baby Lock has prepared, and we're charging only $10 for this event. And what happens is when you agree and actually fill out the survey, and you hand us the survey, we give you a $50 coupon to spend in our store. So isn't that nice? You come and you get money. So that one's filling pretty fast. What we're going to be surveying people on is the top-of-the-line Baby Lock single needle machine. So it's called the Radiance, and it is going to be a 3-hour experience. So either you would come on Tuesday, February 24th from 1:30 to 4:30, or Wednesday, February 25th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. So that is out there, and I know it's going to be a great experience it's a very similar machine to the Aveneer, but this one is set in a different, it's mostly lecture demonstration, but you will be getting to try some of the fun techniques on the machine while you're there too. There won't be a finished project like with the Jerry Granata event, but you will get to see a lot of those really cool techniques and specialties that are on the Radiance alone. And so if you fill out that survey, you get that coupon, that gift certificate, and you get to spend money at Linda Z's for nothing. So another event, March 6th and March 7th. So that's a Friday and Saturday, so it is a 2-day event. We have Floriani educator coming, and it's called Embroiderers Take Note. This one, you will be hands-on, and you will be experiencing embroidery in the hoop, and it's going to be $89.99, includes the kit. I see there are 2 really cool projects that will be made during that event. We have Ramona coming from R&K, so Floriani, and she will be actually discussing, I don't know if you've actually been to one of our events, you will know this already, but they talk about the whole plethora of the R&K and Floriani products, and then they also go into discussion during the 2-day event. They go into discussions about the software that's available for embroiderers out there. And so what happens when we have these educators come in from R&K and Floriani, we have special bundles and special pricing on all of their products. So for those of you who are getting low on some of their stabilizers and some of their threads, this is really the time. Scissors even, I think, will be in part of it, and rulers, right, and rotary cutters, those kind of things. They're all on special pricing during these events. So that is the time to come to Linda Z's, is during these events. And it's well worth the money saved when you come and you purchase those products at these events. So again, that was Friday, March 6th and Saturday, March 7th. And then I saved one that's close to my heart. I love the Cuddle product, the Shannon Cuddle product. They have partnered up with Bernina, and we are going to have a Cuddle Up with Bernina event. So basically it's using the soft cuddle, what people would affectionately call minky fabrics, right? Those really soft fabrics that I love to put on the back of my quilts. But you're going to be making 3 projects during a 2-day event. So Friday, April 10th and Saturday, April 11th. They're sending out a Shannon educator, and we will have the L890 sergers in the room from Bernina. So those are the top of the line serging and cover lock stitch machines from Bernina, and you'll be finishing 3 projects Cuddle. So this price, does it say how much? It's $139. That does include the kits for those 3 projects that you will finish while you're at Linda Z's. If you happen to own the L890 serger already, you can come. You have to bring your machine, and we will have you share with a person who does not own the machine already. We know this one's going to fill for sure, so get yourself going on that. If you're interested, I know we've already got a few signups. I think we're going to stop it at like 20 or 25 people. So April 10th and April 11th. So that's the weekend after Easter, and we're hoping that the weather will also be nice like this, but warmer during that event. And it's going to be a really fun weekend. I know that one's going to be great. They're all great, right? So we're excited to have you come to Linda Z's anytime. You can walk in at any time. We have some very special, I know we're, this Valentine's Day weekend, we're going to have our reds and our pink fabrics on special, 25% off. So if you are in the market for pink and red fabrics, doesn't matter what you're making, if it's pink or red, you can get that 25% off discount, and believe they're full yard cuts. So, but there's thousands of bolts. I don't know if we have thousands of pinks and reds, but we definitely have hundreds of pinks and reds. So come in and hang out with us this weekend. It's going to end on President's Day on Monday, the end of the day on President's Day. So that was a lot. And I know my son tells me I talk too fast. Shout out to Nikki. I'm sorry, I'm just slowing down right now. I had too much information to tell everyone, and I'm so excited to have many, many people coming to Linda Z's, and we just see you flowing in here, and we're just thrilled. So keep coming, and we'll see you next time.